All right, guys. Hey, it's Max here with CAtuned Off-Road, and it's been really hot here in Sacramento, but not as hot as this build behind us.
Oh, hey, that's a good way to segue.
But I want to introduce Jason and Michelle here with Ekko Nesters.
Hey, y'all.
And Jason, you guys named this thing behind us, right? What is it?
What is it, Shell?
We went with Dirty Dolly.
Dirty Dolly.
Ooh,
yeah.
Let's go.
It's kind of what we're going with right now.
And Jason, just tell us a little about yourself, you know.
So, hey, we're out of Portland, Oregon. Our last vehicle we did a lot of stuff with Max was the Ford Transit one. We switched into the Sprinter, the Winnebago Ekko. We get out there, we do adventures, mods. We do mods with Max. We help every now and then develop some products based on our interests. And I just say we built a great relationship. And we get out there and use all our products. It's in our videos. It's on our YouTube channel, Ekko Nesters.
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah, absolutely. They're going to do a lot of videos on this.
Oh, yeah. There's a ton of stuff.
We're going to just do a quick walk around, but they're going to do a whole detail and showing you guys all this and that. So make sure you follow them.
Yeah.
Give a thumbs up for everybody.
That. Yeah, thumbs up and all that good stuff, right?
So we're going to just do a quick tour of what we did here past 2 days.
Yeah. Past 2 days, a lot of stuff.
So let's get on
stuff. Where do you want to start, Max?
Well, obviously, the front hammerhead bumper.
There we go.
Bam.
Right here. The one and only. Yep. There's nothing but the best. It goes on all of our stuff.
Everything else is what? Copycats.
I would call it a copycat.
That's right.
I'd say knockoff.
That's right.
And we went all the Agency 6, Fairlead, Billet, Shackle, Baja LP6, right here in the house.
Driving combo.
Driving combo. Also, exclusive wiring harness stuff that you've got in your shop.
We got that.
Yep. MADMAX D shackles. If you don't know, you can find out. Hey, you got the video. 140 feet in the air you hung a Sprinter from?
That's what we did.
140 feet in the air. No doubt in your mind, I've used this equipment. We've used it all. We got the
Warn, but this is a synthetic.
Warn 12K.
And it's wireless.
Yep. Bluetooth.
All the sensors work if you have them.
That is true.
Perfect.
Yep.
The
all of our
control.
sensors. Yep. Adaptive
cruise. That guys has been true and set up. Going up here.
Oh, yeah.
Terrawagon.
Terrawagon right here.
I feel like, this might give a little wind reflection.
Oh, yeah. We might pick up some MPGs.
But going right below the bumper.
Yeah.
So is our skip plate.
Right here, one of my favorite things, whether you're going off-road, you're getting out there, you're doing your thing, you need a skid plate. Doesn't matter what terrain you hit. You're driving right down the freeway. The thing that could happen, big chunk of a tire comes off, a retread, catches it on these Sprinters. What's really exposed, Max? We got the cast aluminum oil pan, the alternator, some wires, a bunch of stuff. CAtuned's going to protect you.
Who knows where you're going to have that issue. You don't want that.
Me and Michelle call it an $800 insurance policy for a $20,000 motor.
There you go.
I mean, that's pennies on the dollar right there.
There you go.
So.
And moving to the side.
Want to go on over?
Yeah, let's do it.
Where do you want to start?
Moving to the side, we have a Terrawagon.
Desert Defender.
Boom. That sounds
Fender flares.
That's a good name.
Pretty sick. Look at that. Look at the curves.
Dude, and you have to have this.
You have to have
exactly when we're running these big tires.
You do.
What size are these, Jay?
295/70/17 sitting on here. Basically a 33.
Yeah.
I mean, we took a tape measure.
Oh, yeah.
It was 33 inches.
These things are...
What are we mounted on, Max?
Exactly. We got the Rikas single.
Right here. Yep.
The super singles.
Yep. Super single. We'll get around to the back.
And the suspension.
Oh, take a look at this. The King of Kings right here. Coil over. Adjustable. Right there. We'll get all into that later, but it doesn't get much better than that.
That is, that makes it, it's like a pearl.
Yeah.
So that's
changes your whole experience.
We're going to move to the back.
You want to do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Right. This is where it gets serious.
So again, beautiful Rikas. Look at this deep dish.
Oh God.
I love it.
It's beautiful.
Again, Toyo tires, open country.
Yep.
295/70/17.
And you know what we're excited about, Max, is we get out there and we get busy in all types of transit. They check out our videos. We're recovering other vehicles, recovering ourselves. And so we need a tire like this. So we're very excited to get this opportunity to put these Toyos on.
Yeah. And underneath this, obviously we have
3.0.
3.0. Yeah. The struts.
I think she might be able to grab a little glimpse right there.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that.
Let's look at that.
Take a look inside there. Yeah.
So with the rear suspension, 3.0 Kings.
Yes.
Adjustable.
Yep.
Big boys, heavy duty.
Oh, yeah.
There's nothing but the best.
No.
We got the super singles. We got the wheels. Now we got those Deaver leaf springs.
The Deaver leaf springs. There was 10 stack. The original ones that we had in there, Max, the 907s were like 3.
And that shackle.
Shackle's
extended shackle. So it gives you more of that travel that you need.
Yeah, so I think those Deavers are going to make a huge difference. Last day or so when we got to drive around a little bit, I could immediately already tell the difference. Yeah. And I got a lot of weight that I carry back here. All my recovery gear.
Weigh that, and again, that's going to be in your video.
Yep. Oh, yeah, we got numbers for them.
But kind of the last thing on the suspension is that Agile off-road diff cover.
Yep.
That's a game changer because a lot of people will lift on that and damage that.
Yep.
And this
is all your diff.
Yeah, this is easy to get to. It looks cool too.
And it's heavy duty. I mean, it was heavy duty. When we compared the two, Max, it was like picking up a tin can and picking up some real steel.
Correct.
I mean,
And also what my guys did is they extended modified the tire cage,
Yeah.
the spare tire.
and that's one of the things, y'all, to think about is when you're dealing with somebody like CAtuned out here, they're thinking about everything. We need a spare tire.
Correct.
The other cage wasn't going to hold it, and your team got right on it, built a cage for it, and now you're going to be in production of those, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, we're working on it
Yep.
right now.
Exclusive.
Yep.
Nobody's doing that.
Correct.
Where else are they going to put their tire in the back of the garage? Waste
Exactly.
of space.
So moving to the next item is our
I'd call it CAtuned Signature Series Molly panels,
absolutely.
exclusive for the Sprinter Ekko.
Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
So this is mounted on all three.
Yes,
of
all
the
three
rear
of the
cargo.
garage doors.
And look at this. You can mount all kinds of stuff.
Oh, we got the Agency 6 shovel. We got the handle.
Yeah.
Got the grab handle.
The handle. The
Can I
best
talk
thing.
about this real quick?
Real quick. Go ahead.
Okay, y'all, real quick. So one of the things that we run into on these Echoes is when you get ready to open the door, your only handle was the pulleys. And when that thing's compressed shut, it's a little tough. Now that we got the Agency 6 handle,
Bam.
man, it doesn't get any
Bam.
easier, Max. Swing them
Yeah,
around,
let's
right?
go. Let's check this out real quick.
For our recovery boards, they're not with us right now, but basically all of our
there's-
recovery boards,
you can
well,
mount
anything you
anything.
want.
Exactly.
Absolutely. So strategic, too,
Yeah.
on the placement.
Let's move this way.
This side as well.
Obviously there's
Yep.
more room here. We can put jerry cans,
Oh, yeah.
put those molly panels.
Anything
just
we
everything.
want.
We
Yep.
got these all around. We have these L-track,
Yep.
so you can mount garbage can.
Yep. You're out here
bags,
having a
whatever.
good time. You barbecue,
Yeah.
recycling, whatever.
Exactly. But also, on the driver's side is that S&B fuel tank.
Oh, yeah. So we did go with the
45
45-gallon S&B
45
fuel
gallon.
tank, which is going to be a game changer. Our range
sure.
is going to,
What was it, 24 gallons?
roughly 24.
Yeah.
It looked like a little soda
You
can
have
next
to gas up when you're
a
halfway,
tanker.
you're looking for a gas station.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And every now and then, depending where you're at, you might not get
And if you're
diesel.
visiting California, you gas up in Reno or you gas
Yep.
up in Oregon, you can go back.
Yeah,
You don't have to pay.
Literally, one
Yeah.
time. Get the best price and go. So again, we've had a great experience here
Absolutely.
at CAtuned. We always do. The innovation, the way the team pulls together, and just creates opportunities, solutions to things. Because when you're doing mods like this, there's a lot that you can run into, and you got to have that experience. And that's where CAtuned comes
Correct.
in with this
So
team.
Jason, I want to thank you and Michelle
Hey.
for giving this opportunity to work on this. This is great. And the guys had a good time. And you're
Well, I
with
think
us
Dirty
hand in
Dolly's
hand.
happy.
Absolutely.
So Dirty
Oh,
Dolly's
this
happy.
is a beast now.
I don't think she has a contender right
Yeah.
now.
So
If
I'm
you
going to say
do,
it again, guys. Any more info you guys always looking, obviously visit Ekko Nesters. They got a YouTube
appreciate
channel.
that. Yes.
You know, they're
EKKO Nesters.
That's it.
Yep.
So we're going to let you guys go. Thank you so
Cheers.
much.
Thank you all for spending the day with us. 109. Should we get some water?
Woo,
Get
let's
the
go.
water. Peace.
Cheers. Peace.